How to select all photos in Google Photos. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to select all photos in Google Photo. So for that case, you have to open up a browser and on the web address bar, type in photos.google.com. That's going to take you to the now, if you want to delete all photos or select all photos, now first of all, you could go and press on the tick icon. Now this is going to be partially selected. However, if you want to do it, then you need to hover to at the bottom. You need to scroll down right to the bottom and marks the end of your photos. So let's say this is the one. So what you need to do is hold on to your shift button, and then you could go ahead and press on Control plus A, and then you need to go ahead and start selecting the photo that you wish to delete. So as you can see, press on the shift button just like this, and with that you'll have successfully deleted or selected all the photos. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.